Hey everyone, welcome back to My Bilingual Life. I'm Laura, and today I'm challenging myself to find the most creative ways to say thank you in English. Let's see how many unique phrases we can come up with together.
I love this challenge. Most people repeat the same two words every day, and they miss a chance to sound warm, personal, and memorable.
Exactly. Gratitude is powerful. It improves relationships, lowers stress, and even helps us learn faster because people want to help grateful learners.
So today, we'll turn a basic phrase into a whole toolkit. By the end of this episode, you'll have dozens of ways to say thank you naturally in many situations.
Here's the problem. We say thank you so often that it becomes automatic. It can sound polite but flat, like background noise.
Right. When someone holds the door, we mumble, thanks. When a teacher explains something again, we say thanks the same way. It all blends together.
But when you change the words and the tone, the listener feels it. Variety communicates emotion, and emotion builds trust.
So the challenge is simple. We'll avoid repeating the same line, and we'll explore different levels: casual, professional, emotional, playful, and even cultural.
Let's begin with casual phrases for friends and classmates. You can say, thanks, thanks a lot, thanks so much, or thanks a ton. But let's go beyond that.
You're the best works great when someone helps you in a small but meaningful way.
I owe you one suggests you plan to return the favor, and people like that energy.
You're a lifesaver is dramatic and funny, and it works perfectly when someone brings you coffee, finds your keys, or covers for you for 5 minutes.
I owe you one suggests you plan to return the favor, and people like that energy. You're saving my day also fits that idea, and it shows that their action changed your mood.
Now, let's move to polite and professional expressions, perfect for emails or workplace conversations.
I really appreciate your help is clear and sincere. I appreciate your time is wonderful when someone meets with you or reads your draft.
I appreciate your patience is a kind way to thank someone after a delay or a mistake.
Thank you for your quick response shows respect for their speed. And thank you for the update is short and useful.
Your assistance means a lot, and I value your support are both professional yet human.
Sometimes we need deeper emotion. I can't thank you enough says that words are not enough.
I'm forever grateful, and I'm so thankful for you. Emphasize relationship and appreciation.
You made my day is short and strong. You made my week or you made my year are great upgrades when the moment is big.
I'll never forget what you did for me connects gratitude to memory, which makes it unforgettable.
That means the world to me is a classic, and it sounds genuine when you look the person in the eyes.
What about idioms and playful options? Much obliged is old-fashioned but charming, like a friendly cowboy line.
Cheers in British English can mean thank you, especially in casual situations.
You rock, you're a legend, and you're a star are upbeat ways to say you appreciate someone's action and who they are.
If I could hug you through the screen, I would is fun for emails and messages. It adds warmth and humor.
You saved the day sounds like a superhero moment, and it's perfect when someone solves a problem just in time.
We can also say thank you with actions. A handwritten note, a quick coffee, or an offer to help later are powerful ways to show appreciation.
Saying, I wanted to thank you in person also raises the emotional value of your words.
Tone and body language matter. A simple thank you with eye contact can be more meaningful than a fancy sentence said in a rush.
So the goal is to make people feel seen, respected, and appreciated.
Let's try a few mini scenes and choose fitting gratitude lines.
Scene 1. A classmate shares study notes before an exam.
Great choice. Possible responses. You're a lifesaver. Thanks a ton. I owe you one. That means the world to me.
Scene 2. Your coworker explains a difficult spreadsheet with patience.
Professional replies. I really appreciate your help. Thank you for your time. I appreciate your patience. Your assistance means a lot.
Scene 3. A friend surprises you with a birthday cupcake.
Warm replies. You made my day. You're the best. You shouldn't have, but I'm so glad you did. Thank you so much.
Scene 4. A mentor recommends you for an internship.
Deeper replies. I'm forever grateful. I'll never forget what you did for me. Your support means everything right now.
Scene 5. A neighbor watches your dog for the afternoon.
Friendly replies. Thanks a million. You saved the day. I owe you big time. You rock.
Short stories make gratitude memorable. Instead of only saying thank you, add a sentence that shows impact.
For example, thank you for calling me yesterday. You made a hard day easier. Or, I appreciate your message. It helped me calm down and focus again.
You can frame the past and present together. I'll never forget how you helped me last year, and I'm still grateful today.
Or add the future. Thank you for trusting me with this project. I'll do my best to honor your support.
When we connect gratitude to a story, we turn a routine phrase into a personal moment people remember.
Gratitude also shows culture. In Japan, a bow shows thanks. In many Latin communities, people give food or small gifts. In English, changing your words and tone is a key way to show sincerity.
So when English learners use varied expressions, they communicate personality and cultural awareness, not just vocabulary.
Exactly. Your gratitude choices tell a story about who you are: kind, thoughtful, playful, or professional.
Let's build a big bank of expressions together. I'll say a few and you add more.
Deal. I'll try not to repeat anything.
Thanks a bunch. Thanks a million. Thanks for being here. I appreciate it more than you know.
You're too kind. I'm grateful for your support. Thank you for believing in me.
You went above and beyond. Your kindness made a difference. I value your help.
That was incredibly thoughtful. You didn't have to, but I'm so glad you did.
I appreciate your honesty. I appreciate your flexibility. I appreciate your dedication.
You lightened my load today. You made the problem feel smaller. You made my morning.
Thank you for the extra mile. Thank you for the quick fix. Thank you for staying late.
You showed up when it mattered. You gave me confidence. You kept me calm.
You showed up when it mattered. You gave me confidence. You kept me calm.
Thank you for listening with patience. Thank you for explaining that again. Thank you for your careful feedback.
You made the path clearer. You saved me so much time. You turned stress into progress.
I'm thankful for your creativity. I'm thankful for your time. I'm thankful for your guidance.
You brought out my best today. You helped me try again. You helped me not give up. If gratitude were a song, you wrote today's chorus. If encouragement were a light, you turned it on.
That's poetic, and it proves a point. Creative thank yous are memorable.
Let's try more situations because context makes language stick.
At a coffee shop, the barista remakes your drink without you asking.
Natural lines. Thanks for the remake. I appreciate your kindness. You just made my day.
At school, a teacher reviews your essay one more time before the deadline.
Natural lines. Thank you for your time. I appreciate your careful notes. Your feedback helps a lot.
On a team, a teammate covers your shift so you can visit family.
Natural lines. I owe you one. You're a legend. Thank you for making that possible.
At home, a sibling helps you move boxes on a hot day.
Natural lines. You saved the day. Thanks a ton. I'm so thankful for you.
Online, a friend sends a tutorial that fixes your tech problem.
Natural lines. You rock. Much obliged. That was exactly what I needed.
Here's a teaching trick. Add a specific detail after thank you.
Like this. Thank you for the reminder about the meeting at 2. Thank you for finding the exact link. Thank you for your clear example with 3 steps.
Specifics prove you're paying attention, and they make the gratitude feel real.
If you're shy, write your thanks first, then say it out loud. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes.
Let's do a lightning round. We'll go fast and take turns. No repeats.
Ready. Thanks a ton. You're a gem. You're amazing. I appreciate your thoughtfulness.
You're a star. You're a hero. You're a champion. I owe you big time.
You made my week. You made my year. You brought me peace today. That means everything right now.
You turned a bad day around. You lifted my spirits.